Hi there, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to import products on Shopify. First, we need to access our Shopify dashboard. Simply log into your account. Once in, go to the left sidebar and click on Products. Let's click on the Products button. On the Products page, click Add Products, then Import. It'll ask you to import a CSV file. This is where you'll import your file. If you don't have one, you can download a CSV example. This file shows how CSVs work and how to fill them out. However, usually you've already uploaded the file here. This could be from other platforms or another Shopify store, or if someone sent you a file, this is where you'll import it. Next, you'll click the Add File button. Go to your computer's file manager, select the CSV file with the products and click to select. The file will appear here, selected. We'll mark to publish new products on all sales channels, then we'll click upload and preview. It'll show some information about our products. Simply go to the right side and click the import products button. Now it's importing. Just wait until it's ready. Depending on the number of products, it might take a few minutes. After waiting, it'll show the imported products in your store. All products will have an active status and you can access them. They'll be displayed correctly in your store. The store's look depends on theme customization. But now the products are in your Shopify account. I hope this video helped.